Hello, what is the difference between a cash and margin account? Well, margin account is an account that is qualified for you to borrow money from your brokerage firm to trade with. And a cash account is an account that you put your own money in and you trade just with your own money. For an account to become a margin account though, I think you will start by putting your own money in that account to swing trade, and when you reach a certain level, it will become it will qualify for um for a margin account, meaning you will trade with your own money and you will trade with your brokerage firm's money as well. For instance, when we look at this account here, we only have $166 cash left in the account. Most of our money is in stocks. However, available fund for trading is 103. So the way I understand is the value of the account, 50% of that or so is given to us as a margin that we can borrow against up to that level to continue swing trading. But I just like to trade with cash. So therefore, when we do not have money in the account, I just wait until we, you know, save money and send it to the account. Or when we sell a stocks, the cash available, I can use it to buy other stocks that I'm thinking about buying as well. So I don't use the margin, at least not at the moment. But that is just an example here. When we go to Charles Schwab account, Charles Schwab, we have a margin rate because when you are borrowing money to swing trade, they are going to charge you. So they pretty much have, you know, some bracket here with the corresponding rates. And frankly, I don't know if the rate is by year or by amount. Each time you borrow that money and you buy stocks, after you sell it, they will tax you this. They will charge you this fee corresponding to this percentage. I'm not entirely sure since I don't use it, but you can see, you know, the rate here. So what minimum of your own money should you have in the account before your account can be qualified for to become a margin account? If you are interested in trading, increasing your trading power by using margin, well, according to Charles Schwab, with them, you need at least $2,000 in the account for your cash account to be qualified to become a margin account. So they say marginable securities. So you can read through it, and that one, and let's see if they have that one somewhere. I'm not seeing this one here. What is that description is from? But that is what they say here. I had to say that from personal um, experience, though, our account was in the six figure before I start seeing a margin uh, um, that our account is qualified for margin before I start seeing that flashing, on the top of my screen when I'm trading. So I don't really know the specific of it, but that's just if you are interested in using margin. Personally, I don't recommend it, but I know that it could give you uh, more purchasing power. But again, I'm just trying to find a sustainable way of swing trading that I can just save money. We can just save money, put it in the account, and keep buying stocks and selling stocks so that we can generate a stream of income. Again, my way of doing it will be different from yours. For instance, my husband and I, we have full-time jobs and we are trying to generate a stream of income on the side so that we don't rely, so that our job is not the only source of income that we have to depend on. So therefore, I'm taking more my time to learn the skill to do things the right way to generate a sustainable streams of income that I can rely on. Therefore, I'm not doing it with a debt. But if that is something you wanted to start generate income right now to support your family, maybe you might adapt more aggressive way of swing trading. So you just have to see what is good for your account. Just be careful because in one of our previous videos in this series, we noticed that you can make money using more purchasing power, but if things go north, but if things go south, what you lose could be more than what you gain if things go north when you are using a margin to swing trade. So today, an stock analysis is YUMM, and we are using a maximum daily chart. So we have this support line that we like to buy at based on our long option and swing trading strategy. Last time the market opened, it closed on red. That means the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the markets opened. However, is it a buy today? Today is December 29, 2025. Is it a buy or a no buy? It is a no buy. And why is that? Where the price is right now is far from where we want to buy. And where the price is coming from? Well, is it coming from the top of the mountain or is it coming from the valley? It's coming from the top of the mountain. So it's coming from the top of the mountain, but it has not touched the valley yet for us to buy. It's going sideways, consolidating here. So therefore, we are just going to continue observing it to see if it's going to go up from here or if it's going to go down from here. For the time being though, we do not want to buy. It's too far from the valley line. So therefore, it is not a buy today. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all of your comments. And thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel and ninasoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. I know that a brokerage account can become a margin account. When you start with cash, it can be qualified for a margin. But I don't know if if you are trading in a Roth IRA, I don't know if your Roth IRA can be qualified for margin or not, or if it's only a cash account. If you are interested in, that's something you can call your brokerage firm and ask questions about it. But again, I'm only sharing what I know and my experience. So thank you so much for your time. The way we just analyze YUMM, that's the way we do chart analysis when it comes to our long up to long swing trading strategy. If you are interested in that strategy and you wanted to practice analyzing stocks to see if a stock is well positioned for you to buy and ask questions and get feedback, will you please check our online store, digital store, liberdownload.com for our small group online workshop that we organize during the weekend to see if you are interested and reserve a spot. The next one is next Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. The link will be in the description as well of this video. For more videos in this series, please check the playlist in the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long option line. And we have more swing trading related playlists as well for you to take a look at. Thank you so much for your time.